No.
What's up, man?
I literally
Tell them what you at eating.
like talking about behavior.
What you eating, man?
Huh?
Chicken.
Behavior.
How you know what that
like,
is?
literally, behavior.
It's chicken.
Right, no. Man, I mean,
You don't know what that is. Is it good? What up, man? How you doing?
I asked you not to call me because my hair wasn't done.
Good.
Yeah, Hannah. I asked him not. I'm doing fine, but I asked you not to call me.
What up, cool? What's that? So you ain't gonna say nothing?
Boy, you ain't camera shy.
What up, man? Say
It's
something.
going on YouTube. You better say something.
Look at this man eating. So here, give me a little bit. Give me.
I don't talk, I don't find.
Smile, Hannah.
Stop smiling, girl. Dang, I'm taking a picture here. Hold the camera. Why you look like that? Look like that. What up, man? Somebody chilling, man. Getting to eat on the restaurant, man. What you doing? Getting to eat on this restaurant.
I don't want to be reported.
Why?
My hair's not done. And turn it back over to him.
But Mom, it looks fine.
Go back to him now. It's gonna be on Facebook.
Scoop look like Kevin Hart.
But your hair looks fine.
You know what? No, you can talk. You can be on there.
What grade you in?
Third.
What's your grades look like?
Fantastic.
Straight A's.
This girl said fantastic. My listener said fantastic. Okay then. Well, alright man. I'm in it. What's your grades look like, boy? For real? For real?
You telling the truth?
For real?
Yes, what your grades look like.
Okay then.
Yes. Straight. Are you saying straight? Seriously?
What his grades look like here?
I don't know what to say.
Tell the truth. Tell the truth what his grades look like.
I ain't do it like that. He good. He straight. Who said it's straight?
You trying to
His grades
Ah,
in
buy you.
math. His grades in math.
Don't do it. Don't even worry about it. Just wait.
I seriously don't know what's wrong.
Hey, is it easy?
I just stay back. In the second.
Then we go through that day.
And why did you have to stay back in the second grade, huh?
Then we go through the
Because you
day.
couldn't read.
Who fathered that? Scoop. Okay, watch this. Hear me out. Did mom work with us when we were little like she did with Hannah?
No.
Guess what? I got a joke for you. You're so ugly that mommy had to tie a pork chop around your neck so Prince can play with you.
Anything funny?
I got me hurting my chest. Oh Lord, thank you Jesus for
A
my
little bit you
children.
bad. I love you.
Love you too. Tell me you love
Love
him
you
too.
too.
Tell Shane you love him too.
Crazy. I ain't making you
Come on here, come on here. I got the best jokes in the world. Come on.
You know, when you was born, the doctor looked at you and slapped both of your parents.
You would say that. I got it from.
Say it. Say it to the camera. Say it to the camera.
I'm trying to.
I understand. I'm trying to think.
You so poor. I saw you kicking a kid across the street. And I asked you what was you doing. You said moving.
You know what's some new joke? Why you using the same
Hey, yo, what
joke?
up?
It don't matter.
Why you using the same
Yeah, what's
It
up?
don't matter. It don't matter. It don't matter. It don't
Why-
matter.
I'm finna stop my laugh.
Man, hold
You
on.
so poor. You
Hold
sitting
on.
out.
That's why you look
Hold
like
on,
Grandma
hold on.
Mary. Whoa, look. She got quiet.
Look a little bit though.
You so
Hold on.
ugly, right? You look like a dog that just got hit by a car.
That dry joke, come harder.
You do.
Come harder.
Hey, look, it's the dog that got hit by a
You got
truck.
that look, girl, like House of Pain.
You so dumb. You put a ruler in the bed to see how long you slept. Oh, and you try to put aliens and
What so old?
And you so dumb, right? You called me to get my phone number.
Why you laughing at you old joke?
This the joke. This the joke show.
Laughing at you old joke. Come hard with some new joke.
Cool, she just killed you though.
Hey. You put makeup on your forehead to make up your mouth.
Look at my laugh. That ain't even funny, dog. Not really.
It is funny coming for a little bit. Cool, you still ain't saying that though.
Funny, man. Hell, you so ugly. Mama had to feed you with a slingshot. Correct. Your mama so fat, she went to the movies and sat next to everybody.
That's not new, man. Man. Okay. You so dumb. You was headed to the airport. It said airport left. So you turned around and went back home.
Cool.
I'm gonna buy you up now. You laughing.
Oh, Lord, man.
So, honey, you down with him?
Look, I needed these laughs. Y'all
You down with him a little bit? You say you got one more?
Correct.
Hello? Hold up. So you done? That's it?
Yeah,
you done? Alright, man, we done, man. She killed him. Killed Coop. How you feel, Coop? She did kill you, Coop. How you look, Coop?
Your forehead is twisted.
Funny. Get off of me, man. Come on, so funny.
Alright, Coop.
Cut.